the IoT application. Okay, this is the evolution of Internet of Things. See how we are started first. Initially, it is Internet, then Internet of Content, then Internet of Services, then Internet of Content means we are talking about the World Wide Web. That is Internet of Content. Then Internet of Services, web, e-productivity, and e-commerce. These and all comes under the services. And the third category is Internet of People, how the internet is connected with the people, social media through Skype, Facebook, YouTube, etc. These are all the internet of people. And finally, it is connected with the thing, internet of thing. As I said, this is coming under the mission to mission, M2M. Okay, I hope you're all very much familiar with the Arogya Sedu app. How many of you installed in your mobile? Okay, I cannot see that. Okay, it is a self-assessment survey app, isn't it? It is used to detect the positive symptoms of COVID, I mean Corona. It is launched in the period of COVID-19 in the April month, it seems. Do you know how it works? When you download that Arogya Sedu app, that app uses your phone Bluetooth and GPS capability. No? And there is also one algorithm, machine learning algorithm, which is called contact trace algorithm. So this is the IoT based machine learning applications. Participants, the IoT itself is not alone work. It is also with the combination of machine learning or deep learning or artificial intelligence or many things, and the big data analytics. There are the combinations of IoT is brings you in a good research, right? So this is the IoT applications ranking. See, what is the first rank? The smart appliances. Smart appliances like the home appliances like fridge, mixie, grinder, AC. These are all comes under the smart. When it becomes a IoT enabled devices, this is the smart appliances. The second one is energy meter and wearable devices, etc., etc. It goes on. So first rank is or in the smart appliances. Let will start the smart home. IoT applications, first thing is a smart home. What is the smart home? When the home appliances is enabled, IoT enabled appliance, then it is comes under the smart home. See, for example, if you take the fridge, it is a normal fridge, that is the traditional one, and another one is IoT enabled fridge. What is the difference between this IoT enabled fridge, which is IoT enabled fridge is called here the smart fridge, right? What is the difference between the smart fridge and the traditional fridge? See, for example, if I open the door of the fridge, there is lot of sensors are there. I just open it and then close it and go to the market. The app which I installed in my mobile phone, it says that there is 6x in your fridge. Out of 6, 4 is good condition and 2 is going to be destroyed after 2 days. So right now you buy only 4x. This is what IoT fridge. Are you understood? And if you take a AC, so I think you all seen, you might have seen the AC advertisement too. One couple is traveling in a car towards home. They just take their mobile and message to AC. And then AC gets turned on and makes room will cool before they reach to home. How it is possible? This is through the IoT technology. Here, the AC also have some sensor. No? That sensor is gather the data regarding the outside temperature and also accordingly it adjusts the AC temperature. And likewise, some other example. Okay, when I'm going to office, I have some doubt whether I locked my door properly. I locked my home properly and switched off my lights properly means I can do it through my smartphone even after I left home. See, when I'm in office, suddenly my relatives arriving to my home. In that purpose, I can unlock the door to my relatives and kids even when I'm not at home. This is by IoT technology. IoT enabled is everything has to be done automatically. If time permits, you watch Telugu movie Avanu, AVUNU, Avanu. It shows how the smart home resembles, right? Totally, it shows the smart home, right? This is what the smart home. And This is the wearable drones and various usages, right? Drones, nowadays, drones are very, very familiar, especially in COVID period. Through this drone only, they have identified those. The people are gathering there, here, everything. And the drone is also used in a wedding hall to catch the audience. Okay. Likewise, how many of you know about the Papa John's? This Papa John's is a branded pizza company, which is in Dubai. In Dubai, they used the drones to deliver the pizza, and so that they record a break in pizza selling. You know how? Within a 1 hour, they have used 6 drones. They have sold 20,000 pizzas on time without a single minute delay. So they break the record. Here, what I am coming to say is behind the scenario, there are so many hard work. There are so many lot of work is there in IoT, which is called unmanned automatic vehicle (UAV). That is, the drone should capture the image using the deep learning algorithm. Here we possess here the deep learning algorithm. Then we have to give the train to the drone based on the images it captured the drone, right? So don't think the IoT is only for the industry and the home. For everyday life, we are all it is using makes us more sophisticated. For example, if you see in a medical line, the IoT is performed in medical. It shows now there is this is a smartwatch, and also another one thing like a bracelet or a ring. It is also IoT. This is the device which is installed with sensors. With the sensors, when you wear in your wrist or the ring as a finger, it can sense your pressure and heart rate, and it track your activity, and it track your sleep, and collecting data and storing data in a database, and communicate with the network. See, if there is any difference in your pulses, then it send a message to your relatives that the person is in danger. Now, if that person is going to hospital by ambulance, before reaching the hospital, the person's health reported is diagnosed by doctor, and the hospital is quickly start the treatment. How? This is by the IoT technology. It launched there. This is the smart traffic system. IoT has changed the transportation sectors really. Now you have a self-driving car with all sensors. See, if you are driving somewhere, you are going somewhere, there the traffic lights, that can sense your traffic and indicate you, see, there is more traffic. We cannot go on time. So we'll take the diversion. That will help you. That sensor will tell you that take the diversions. You go by this way and that way, right, left, everything it will tell you. And also it assists you to park automatically and giving you the location where to park. Where is free parking is available, the space, etc. And also various sensors in your vehicle now that indicates your current status of vehicle. That is, you have filled your fuel in your car, air in tire or anything or everything. It will check and tell the status about your vehicle. So you cannot face any issues while traveling. This is about the smart city. Smart city is the major work. It is the powerful application of IoT. It is generating the curiosity among the people. See, Tirunelveli is considered one of the smart city, So they are constructing using IoT technology. For example, CCTV. CCTV is a smart surveillance. CCTV camera is one of the main source to identify the crimes. Not only with this, it is with automated transportation or smarter energy management, traffic management, housing issues, water resource management, water control and the pollutions, security purpose, environmental monitoring, all are examples of the Internet of Things applications for the smart cities. And finally, IoT applications for smart farming. As your principal said, he already explained about that smart farming. There is also sensors, and drones also used to pesticide and fertilize for this purpose. And there is a sensor sensing the soil moisture and nutrients, and how to control, where to control the water usage for the plant growth. And also it is used to determine the fertilizers of the along with this farm, I mean in agri farms, right? And also you can use this sensor for monitoring the animal. See, there is IoT chip, that chip that is called a fabric covered collar. When that animal is wear that fabric covered collar, you can easily track your animal, track on grazing animals, so where it is now. You can also use this chip to your boyfriend or girlfriend, wherever they are tracking, you can track easily.
Thank you for watching.